Okay, let's make some DIY party poppers. All you need is simple materials, and this is a great science activity and art activity. So the materials you'll need are construction paper or just colored paper, a balloon, the paper, cut up pieces of that paper in a cup. It's easier to keep the confetti under control if you cut it up into a cup. A tube, some markers, you could use stickers too, scissors, and tape. And you can make your tube really pretty. So we're gonna start by cutting the paper into little shapes. It does not have to be exact shapes. You're just cutting little pieces of the paper, and I cut them into the cup so that the confetti is not everywhere. And then what you'll do is you'll get your balloon, you'll cut the top of it off, be really gentle, and then you're gonna take that top and wrap it around your tube. The bottom will stay as it normally does, and so you can tie it. And you let your child tie it, obviously. It might take a little while. This is a great exercise to practice some patience as they learn to tie the balloon. It doesn't matter how tight or how loose you tie the balloon either. You just want to make sure that you're going to have enough stretchiness or elasticity so that you can pull this part of the balloon back on your popper. Once it's on, you want to secure it with some tape. I just used regular Scotch tape. And then you're going to place your confetti in the tube. The more you fill the tube, the more confetti obviously will come out. But this is a great chance to not instruct your learner or your kiddo, and instead allow them to experiment with how much confetti to put in, how tightly to pack it, and how far to pull back on the balloon. And there you have it, a DIY popper. Totally fun and a great science activity. Give us a follow.